In this video, I will show you how to send money from the USA to India without any fees. So for doing this, I would personally use Remitly, and you don't have to pay any fees on your first transfer, and I'll show you how to do it. First, head over to remitly.com and make sure your country is set to the United States. From there where it says to, just click on the drop down and type in India and go to select it. Now from there you can enter how much you would like to transfer. For example, I'll do $80. Then here you can see the discount is the entire fee, which means you don't have to pay fees. So then click on get this rate. Now here just going to create an account if you don't have one. If you already have one, then just sign in. Then from there you will see something like this. So here just going to click on send money and make sure that the amount is correct. And then here you can select your payment method. So they have debit card, bank account and credit card. Now overall debit card is the best since it's instant and it's free, whereas a bank account will take a little bit of time. You can see 3 to 6 days. And a credit card has a 3% processing fee. So overall debit card is the best. And you can see you don't have to pay any fees on your transfer. So from there click continue. And then you can choose the delivery method for your recipient in India. So you can do UPI, bank deposit or cash pickup, whichever one you want to do. In this case, I'll do a bank deposit and then click continue. Now here select which bank they use. I'll do HDFC Bank and then enter their account number. Then enter their first and last name. And then you can choose to add their phone number, but you don't have to. Then select a reason for sending, so for example savings and family support, a tax payment, educational institutions, whatever it is for you. I'll just do savings and family support and click continue. Now here just confirm your own payment method and again continue. And now you can add your payment details and from there click on review details and then you have an overview of all of your details. Make sure that it is all correct and if it is, go and confirm the transfer and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in India. So now you know how to send money from the USA to India. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.